Hi guys, as you know, I am Polish Monbebe and welcome on my YouTube channel. I'm here to share with you information about K-pop Nation Festival and about the Warsaw. So yeah, let's go. From the now, I wanna say basic information about my country. So the capital is Warsaw. We will see each other very soon on Saturday. So yeah. Second information is our current, which you should have. It's a better word. Because we don't use euro in Poland, euro is in Germany and in other European countries. But we don't use it in Poland. We use our own current, it's Polish zloty. When you will come to Poland, you will come by the airplane mostly, so you will be on the Chopin airport in Warsaw, and there you can find exchange point, and I wanna tell you about it something. As you can see, I will show you our exchange image, what kind of your own current you can exchange for the Polish zloty. Mostly you can make exchange on your own bank, so please check your bank application on your phone. That would be easier way to exchange your money for Polish zloty, but also on the airplane and next to Złote Tarasy shopping center, next to train station in Warsaw, the main train station. That's very important because Warsaw have Warsaw Center train station and Warszawa Gdańska train station, and I think it's something else, but I don't remember, so please, sorry, but I'm not from Warsaw anymore and I forget a lot. But if you come to Poland first time, you will be on the Warsaw Center train station. If not, if you will be on Warszawa Gdańska, remember that you can come from there to Warsaw Center, because we have a lot of changing in Warsaw, I think. So it's possibility if you come, I don't know, from maybe from Ukraine, or also like me from Wrocław, or something from this Wrocław side. You will come from Warszawa Gdańska to Warszawa Centralna, so that means Warsaw Central. So remember that you can very easily come from previous station Warszawa Gdańska to Warszawa Centralna to Warsaw Central, so don't worry about it. Ask people, and I will tell you more about the application which we use in Poland mostly, and they are very easy to use and very popular on the world, so don't worry about that. It will be the next part of this video. I think Poland is very easy about the pay, because I don't know if you know about that. I wanna flex here. I'm young flexer, come on, like Kion. I think he will love it. Like, we can have application in our bank. I will show you how it use it. So we have this one. You see this B here. It's BLIK. It's Polish application to pay. You need only... Okay, it was very dangerous thing. Or maybe not. Okay, so as you can see here, it's not... Okay, not here. Oh, you can see here, this is a code, and we can just pay by giving to someone from the shop this code, and you can only just give someone this code and just paying, that's it. Magic. Wow, easy and very fast method of payment, but you can't have it. So for you, you can like just pay by your phone. You know, if you have iPhone, just click here. Okay, so not my code of my card, but you know what I mean. Just your card, you can pay. I wanted to show you. No, not my number card, of course. You can use every card, like Visa, what else? MasterCard, very easily to pay. Not like Germany. I love you people from Germany. It's not like I don't like you, know, but your payment is a little bit too much to me. Like I really couldn't pay there. Okay, but doesn't matter. We have Revolution, you can pay here by Revolution application. Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Pay. Feel welcome. Feel like you are at home. The first thing which I wanna share with you is our traveling application. So first of all, Google My is a key in Poland. You can use it only never. No, sorry, we don't use it never here. It's only in Korea. But maybe someone from Korea is here, so yeah, maybe Sean and Hyun who wants to, I don't know more about Poland, because you know, as you know, I talked to Sean last month, or maybe 2 months ago, something like that, and yeah, I recommended him Polish bekciu and mandus, so I hope he will eat with Hyun here in Poland. Link application, Google Map, Jak dojadę, Portal Pasażera, Koleo, Uber, Bolt and Lime. We have a lot of options to travel in Warsaw. So, you know, travel, tram, my god, sorry. Tram, train, buses, taxi, everything, Uber, so VIP.
You, only you be my VIP.
Vania gave us a beautiful post and I'm gonna read it for you because I don't know about it too much, so sorry. So, Warsaw is divided into urban zone. I in the selected city, sorry, it's one, sorry. I told you I don't know about it a lot, okay? I always buy ticket for 2 zones. I don't have a problem, so I will recommend you the same. So, about the tickets, in my opinion, you can buy tickets in the train and the buses, but no, if it's not true, because I forget about that, you can, no, you know the easier way how to buy? Jak dojadę. It's the easiest way to buy a ticket in Warsaw, everywhere in Poland, in the train, buses, it's Jak dojadę. It's very easy, you can only have this application. Download it on Google Store, Apple Store, Apple app, I don't know how our store is, it doesn't matter. And just have this application, you can buy in this application a ticket to every transport van in Poland. So check this out. But okay, we have the first and second zone. So we have like the urban zone, so the center zone is the first. I think you have to use it, but if you have, I know, hotel somewhere else, it's better to use the suburban zone, you know, no central zone, the second. So, first, tickets you have to buy before, you know, tram off. Doesn't matter, I was just afraid that my camera was off. That's okay. Tickets must be validated immediately after boarding the bus or train in the metro. Oh, we have metro in Warsaw. Oh, sorry guys, I forget about that. That's very important thing. We have metro. Daytime lines are from 5 AM to 11 PM. Night lines run at different times. The organization of night transport is slightly different, so remember about it. Right, we have the, it's no table with the hours where something is coming, like the tram, metro, etc. So don't worry about it, you can ask. It's a lot of people there, so that is capital of Poland. So a lot of people, so don't worry about it. I think that's it about the traveling. If you have questions, feel free, ask me in the comment. The most important thing is like I will give you everything in the description, so don't forget and chill. Okay, and by the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone, it's only just our good heart, so yeah. Please feel free to give subscribe and like, because it's just, you know, we just wanna welcome you, feel here in Warsaw welcomely, and yeah, feel at home. So yeah, Korea's shops and stores. So we don't have a lot of, like, if you wanna hear like buy light sticks, albums in Warsaw, we don't have a lot of shops. I will just give you 2 recommends when you can find only albums, maybe light sticks sometimes. Empik and Yatta, everything will be in the description. Okay, restaurants near to center. So, Złote Tarasy is shopping center, easy to eat. KFC, McDonald's, burgers, Polish food maybe too, so yeah. Krowarzywa is a vegan restaurant, you can go there. Of course, Zapiecek, but I think there will be a lot of people, so, you know, because of the hype end. So, but in the center we will find a lot of restaurants with Polish food too, so don't worry if you wanna try Polish food first time. I recommend you Polish beer and dumplings. How I said to Shanu, I have to be, you know, good Polish person, yeah. McDonald's, KFC, bubble tea. We have bubble tea with Kpop, so it's in the center. So let's check on Google Map and you will see everything what's there. But it's my only recommendation. What I love in Warsaw, it's like Krowarzywa. We have Thai food, of course, Korean food. It's very easy to check on the Google Map and find Korean food. We have Korean barbecue. That's yeah, Korean barbecue. Yeah, I don't know what else to recommend you at this moment, but check on the Google Map. Yeah, and let's start from the K-pop nation information, because I wanna recommend you. Okay, I will see this beautiful post. Amelia made it and you can find it on our profiles. It's beautiful. You will find here application, everything, information, and where you can also find me with the banners for Monsta X, because remember we have 1,000 banners for free, so please come to me because I can't take them on the K-pop nation. Or maybe someone from Monsta X staff wanna have banners, I can give you, you know, feel free. Yeah, okay, so first of all, the festival starter pack, yeah. So, tickets, of course, in the application, or you have this normal ticket. I don't have it. Okay, let's go, because I wanted to tell a joke, but no. Phone and power bank, obviously. Air plugs, but don't forget about the phone and power bank. Air plugs, if you don't like, you know, voice, like noise, yeah. Sharing banners, come to me at gate 2. On the PGE Narodowy, so feel free to say hello or what's up. Yeah, easy. I'm not biting. Okay, official Monsta X light stick or your own favorite grab. My friends will have BTS light sticks, so easy. Just a fun, guys, just a fun. I can do this because Monsta is jealous, but you know. Who cares? Pack, and it's only A4. I will have show you or not show you. Okay, I will show you. I have this bag. It's smaller than A4, so you know it's like this one. You can have bag like A4. And by the way, that's our fan chant. So please learn it. Monbebe, and not only. Okay. Teeny fan, because the weather looks like it will be like 22 degrees or 16 degrees or 18 degrees, nobody knows. It will be hot and maybe rainy, so I hope no, because I don't know what to do with the banners. Please, like Miyok said, don't cancel. I wanna say please don't rain. Don't rain. Okay, but if it will be raining, please guys, rain ponchos. I don't know how to say that, but you know, something for the rain. Okay, water and snacks before coming to the venue. Of course, we can't take anything to the venue, so yeah, band 8, you know, because we will be standing and everything will be very painful. Okay, and shops near to PGE Narodowy. National Stadium is Delikatesy, Carrefour Express, we have two Carrefour Express. Żabka is a very famous shop, it's of the every corner of the city, so don't forget about that. And Polish shop which you can know from TIANFUN vlogs, Biedronka, very popular, come there, very delicious food. Yeah, what else I can recommend you? Okay, shops are very easily. And I think that's it. If you want to know something about Poland, Warsaw, etc., please write a comment, write a message to me on the Instagram. So yeah, feel free. And yeah, see you in Warsaw, guys. It's very soon. I'm excited to see you. And yeah, have fun in the K-pop nation. Tell me in the comment which group you excited for to see. Of course, I'm excited for Shannon Hyun performance first time in Poland. I'm very, very excited. Very sad that only they are here, but I'm very happy that they can be here. So yeah, see you.